Hey folks, this is Louis. I'll be showing you how to disassemble the Soundback SP525 Bluetooth speaker. All you will need is a star point screwdriver and a pry tool. You need your pry tool to gently push off the siding at both sides. There is 8 pins on each side, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and 1 on each side. Once you done that, you can either take off the passive radiators first or take off the grill. It's up to you which you want to take off first. When you take off the grills, it gently come out. There's 6 screws at the back. Once you take out the screw, you just have to gently pull the box apart and you will get it open. Thank you for watching. If you want to see how it look without the grate, there will be a link down below. You can check out my Twitter page and you will see for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave your comments down below.